Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen those clean, eye-catching educational infographics online and wondered how people create them and even make money from them? Well, today you're in for something special. In this video, we're going to learn how to create stunning educational infographics step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. No design experience needed. I'll show you how to turn simple ideas into professional-looking visuals that people actually want to save, share, and engage with. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how you can monetize your infographics. Yes, you can turn these designs into income by using them for social media growth, digital products, or even client work. So if you've been looking for a simple but powerful way to create content and make money online, this is for you. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start creating and earning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get started.
Alright, so to create these infographics, we'll need a very well-detailed prompt. Okay, and this is the prompt I have for you here. On this prompt here, it's a master prompt that actually talks about, the subject, in case the type of infographics you want to create. Is it of animal? Is it of plants? Is it of person? Remember, this infographic is mainly for education purposes. Okay, so it helps to actually explain informations, narrow it down in such a way that people look at it, they will be able to understand the information without actually reading a full text. Okay, so this is the prompt. All I need you to do in this prompt is to help. Here you just need to edit this part of the things. Okay, here you have to select, is it animal, is it plant, and the subject name. Here, if you have like a name of a person, you don't need to select a scientific name. You can leave that blank. Okay, so this is it, and this is the well-detailed prompt. All you need is just to copy it and paste it on any LLM of your choice. So to create our infographics, we'll be using three different AIs for that. We'll be using ChatGPT, we'll be using Google Gemini, and also Grok. Okay, just to see which platform actually give a very well detailed and good and perfect result. Okay, so we'll be using ChatGPT. So all you have to do is to head over to the prompt session. So if you actually want to get this prompt, you need to join my academy on School for you to be able to get it. Okay, here, this is all I need to make changes, and here I've selected the name of a person. I've selected Michael Jackson, and because this is a person, scientific name, I have to leave it blank. Okay, all you need to do is just to copy the prompt that you've edited, copy the prompt. So I'll paste the prompt on ChatGPT. Okay, paste it on ChatGPT and click generate. Then as we are waiting, we'll paste on Gemini. One thing I noticed with Gemini is that sometimes the AI actually restricts, especially name of a celebrity, but let's see how it goes. Okay, you click on generate, and I will head over to Grok AI. Remember, on Grok, if you want to create images, you need to set imagine on. Okay, you set on imagine and you paste in the prompt. Remember to select image, select your aspect ratio. I'll be leaving it on 9:16. All right, then I will paste in the prompt. The prompt is already done. As far as you've edited the prompt the way I asked you to edit it, then you click on generate. So let's wait for it to. So this is the image on Grok that Grok gave. Grok actually gave me 3 different of Michael Jackson's. Okay, other platforms actually blocked it, like ChatGPT and Gemini, but let's just continue. Okay, so if you like it, that's why I say try different platform, because sometimes the AI, the algorithm or the platform might restrict that, especially if you're using celebrities. So we'll go ahead and try an animal. Okay, we'll try an animal. Okay, so this is the animal I'll be trying, which is a tiger, and this is it. Okay, just replace anything you want with the subject type. Okay, just replace the things you need in there and copy the prompts. Okay, so we'll be heading over to the AI. We'll be using ChatGPT, pasting your prompt on chat, click generate. We'll also be using Gemini just to see which platform gives us the best infographics, but all of them are all beautiful. I'll also
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
I'll be using Grok AI as well, so just pasting your prompt on Grok. Remember to select image on and click on generate. Okay, so this is the first image Grok AI gave to me. One thing I like about Grok is that it will give you various kind of varieties of pictures and different styles. Okay, it's up to you which one you like. And you can see here, it gave a well-detailed explanation. Like if you zoom on this one now, it will tell you about the tiger, the, kind of all the anatomy, things you need to know about this particular kind of tiger. Okay, so it will be able to give you a lot of information you need to know. And this is mainly for education purposes. So you can use it, you can create it. Also, you can also sell these infographics on platforms such as Etsy, okay, and make money from it because it's actually explaining a lot of things you don't actually know about this particular tiger. Okay, so let's go to Google Gemini and see. So this is what Google Gemini actually generated. You can see it's still this like similar things, but every platform actually provide different styles. All right, this one is also beautiful, and this is from Gemini, Google Gemini. You can see if you like it, you go ahead and click on. So this is the one ChatGPT actually generated. It's so beautiful. One thing is that ChatGPT doesn't give you unlimited image generation, so it's capped if you are using free ChatGPT version. So this is it. You can see how beautiful this is, and if you like it, you go ahead and just click on download. Okay, and this is it. So let's try another kind of plant. Okay, so the plants we'll be creating the infographics for is the aloe vera. Okay, and this is the scientific name. I've pasted it in. Just go ahead and just copy your prompt. This is so sweet to create, and you can create them in bundles. Okay, you can actually create them in bundles. So head over to ChatGPT and paste in your second prompt if that's the platform you'll be using. I'll head over to Gemini and paste in my own prompts. Okay, and also to Grok AI, I'll paste in my prompt on Grok. This is so beautiful to create. Seriously, I've been creating this for a long time. Paste it in and allow it to generate. So Grok is actually generating. We'll give it some time to generate. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and put on your notification bell for more amazing tutorial like this. Remember to actually follow our channel. Okay, and this is how beautiful this aloe vera. You can see what Grok created. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And you can see all the informations well detailed. Okay, there is no school or people that won't purchase this for their education purposes. That's the thing. Teaching. All right, use it to actually experiment, to teach people. Oh, this is, you can see even showed how it plants, how it germinates, the reproduction and the life cycle of aloe vera. This is amazing. Seriously, trust me. This is beautiful. It doesn't really disappoint. Okay, look at Gemini here. You can see it's even telling you the anatomy and physiology of aloe vera, like how the skin layers is like. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Pharmacology of aloe vera as well. It will tell you if aloe vera is used for moisturizing, it helps with immune system support. My dear, this is something you need, a digital product you need to start. And also you can create this as content and post it on platforms such as Facebook. Okay, Facebook monetize pictures. Teach people, give people informations. Here is ChatGPT. ChatGPT also did similar like Gemini, telling us the uses and application, the leaf anatomy, the layers, everything, the botanical profile, chemical compositions of it, habitat and distribution, like areas you can see aloe vera. This is so good. This is so good. So let's try some more. Okay, so the next one I'll be creating is for Oprah Winfrey. Okay, so I've just pasted in the prompt on Grok. I'll go on Gemini. Gemini might not create it. Okay, and also I'll paste it on ChatGPT. Okay, this is what ChatGPT actually generated of Oprah Winfrey. So it shows us the early life and information of her, how she starts, her young age, her education background, her job as a media career timeline. This is the information that we've put together in this infographics for her. And this is what Grok actually created for this lady. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't even know which one to choose because Grok gives you like 4 images. It's up to you to look at them individually to see the one you prefer. I think this one should no, I don't like this one. Okay, I'll go for this one. Okay, if that's the one you like, you click on it and just save image. So the next one is I want to try this about ego. Okay, so just go ahead, just add in what you need at the beginning of the prompt, and just go ahead and create yours. So here we are. We'll close the Opera Winnie and just paste this one on ChatGPT. I'll also do the same on Gemini, and also the same I will do on Grok AI. So let's see how it goes. Remember, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and put on your notification bell for amazing tutorials like this. Okay, as it stands now, it seems like Grok AI is giving me what I need. Okay, and you can see what Grok I've generated. It will tell you a lot of things you need to know about this ego, and you know, the area it lives. Okay, let's just zoom it up a bit, and you can see that. You can see, let's just zoom it up a bit. So this is it here. Okay, right. So if you like it, the one you like, you just click on that and just download. And this is what Gemini have actually created as well. So beautiful. It looks similar like some of the Grok one. It looks similar. Okay, so this is the prompt. What we'll be trying out now is the plant called the Rosa. That's what we'll be trying out, and here I'll click on generate. Okay, so the same I'll paste on Gemini to create for us this Rosa flower, and then we're still waiting for ChatGPT. It's very slow. So this is the rose flower. You can see it gives you life cycle and growth, anatomy of it, pollination and mechanism. It also gives us the uses as well, the impact, cultural impact of rose flower. So let's see Grok. Oh god, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful with Grok. Oh goodness me. All right, so go, I don't even know which ones to go for. They are all beautiful. They are all beautiful, and yeah, they are all beautiful in their own way. Okay, so look out for the one you like and just save that to your device. And this is the one ChatGPT gave. This ChatGPT one is beautiful, so it gives benefits and all that. Okay, so don't forget to like and share this video, and please comment down below the next AI tool or any AI tool that you would like me to experiment for you.